Hello guys, welcome to the TF2 workshop. Now we've seen a bunch of these taunts like this one and this one and this one. Well, let's see this one, a moving magic carpet. That should be the reference of that Disney film. I forgot what it's called. Is it Disney? I'm pretty sure it's Disney. Oh, what's this? Alright, let's check out what this looks like. They don't show off the effects, god damn it. Wait, what about this one? Oh, nice. That rather looks great. Fireworks one's one of my favourites. The catwalk is great. This one's okay. This one's like a scout one. This one's basically a soldier reskin. This is basically a soldier's thing, but it's for the demo. I guess that would be a great idea. The Highland. Mic drop. Oh, if you want to burn someone in TF2 and just do that taunt. This is a surprise one. Special Christmas. It should be for TF2's birthday. This shouldn't be a taunt, but it should be an item that allows you to screenshot things. Or it should be a taunt that you actually screenshot shit with. Or it should be. I don't know. It looks great. Face slap. Handguns. An unusual effect I was interested in. This one's an interesting one. The kill myself taunt. This taunt I forgot what it was, but I did. The hoodoo taunt. Yeah, it's one of those doll things. Creepers creep. What is this like? Well, I really want to see what the taunt's basically about. Oh, so basically they're just basically sneaking. Is it like a sneak or something? I don't know. Oh, alright, the sneaky feet one. Oh, that's a great spy impression one. Nope. Yeah, that glitch was great. Let's see, one step ahead. Uh, hmm. Oh my god, there's a bunch of fucking ones. Oh, this one looks great. That's like a frosty unusual, and this one's like a sparkly unusual. Yeah, it's great. Oh fuck! Yeah, I've pretty much seen this one before, I think. If not, then you guys would like this because it's a really cool unusual effect. Eh. The Booty Warrior. Can't really hurt when they add that. The Oh man, I would love that. Oh, fuck. That just suit with my Bonk Man so well, this one. And they should add a yellow one of those things as an unusual effect for the hats. A Haunted Halloween. What is this? Are those piranhas? Those look great. Yeah. Man, they're adding some fucking nice, unusual effects. Hmm. Let's check. Medic has that taunt. Don't give it to Heavy. It's like a sort of a punching up taunt or something. I don't know. Wow, so many fucking unusual taunts. That one would be like a high tier one. This one too. Is that water or oh, it's a snowflake. That's like a holy taunt. Where's the confetti taunts? There should be a confetti taunt somewhere. What is this? It's a lower tier taunt, I would say. But it would be cool enough to add it. Alright. Low tier. Oh my god. They should do like taunt references off their animation film as well. Oh no, don't add that, please. Well, yes. I guess that's it for the taunt episode. Peace you out. Peace. That actually sounds so bad, but I peace you out anyway.